With connected toolsets and references in Autodesk Construction Cloud, linking drawings, assets, issues, forms, and more can simplify your workflows and make finding the information you need when you need it a cinch. This example will highlight the issue to RFI to PCO workflow and show the connections between each important step. Start by opening an issue in Autodesk Build, either from the list view or from a pin on a drawing. Review the issue to determine if an RFI is needed. If so, scroll down to References and select RFI. From here, you can choose to select an existing RFI that has already been created, otherwise you can create a new RFI. When creating a new RFI, some fields of the RFI have already been populated with information from the issue. Fill out the remaining fields and select Create RFI. The RFI is now referenced in the issue. The RFI reference can be selected and will take you directly to the RFI to add additional information and view the status of the RFI. If you've determined that this RFI will have a cost impact, you can add a PCO reference. Click Add References and select PCO. Similar to adding an RFI to issues, you can choose to select an existing PCO or create a new line item. Update the PCO name or description if you wish, and click Create. You'll now see a link to the PCO in the Cost Management tool. Again, this is a live link that can be clicked to take you directly to the PCO. From this point, the PCO can be taken through the change order process in full.